Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway Coleman SaluSpa Hot Tub with Filter and Maintenance Kits. The hot tub inflates in minutes, and the rapid heating system quickly heats the water up to 104 degrees. The digital control panel lets you adjust the temperature to find your perfect fit. This package also includes a chemical floater to keep your spa clean and an inflatable cover to keep it warm. Keep up with your monthly hot tub maintenance with the 3-piece Bestway Spa Cleaning Kit. This tool set includes a net scoop, brush, and scrubbing mitt. Product benefits. The inflatable walls are made of TriTech material for durability and ultimate comfort. Included 1 pool liner, 1 pool cover, 1 spa pump, 1 chemical floater, 2 filter cartridges Type 6, 1 air pad protector, 1 repair kit, 1 AirJet system. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.